Good morning students. So now start the chapter is a continuity and differentiability. बेटा हमने continuity and differentiability चैप्टर स्टार्ट किया है, उसी के क्वेश्चन हमारे चल रहे हैं. आज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं PYQs. Okay, so now start the first question is integral sorry fx is equal to this is function is k cos x and divide by pi minus 2x, and if x is not equal to pi by 2, and second is 3 if x is equal to pi by 2. Function is a continuous. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. तो बेटा k की वैल्यू निकालनी. So first of all, function is given that x is not equal to pi by 2. अगर फंक्शन की वैल्यू pi by 2 से इक्वल नहीं होती है, लेफ्ट होती है, राइट होती है, तो आप फंक्शन में क्या लेंगे? फंक्शन लेंगे k cos x divided by pi minus 2x. तो सॉल्व करते हैं बेटा, एक ही कोई साइड निकाल देते हैं, फंक्शन इज कंटीन्यूअस. सो लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट निकालते हैं. लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इज लिमिट x tends to pi by 2 minus fx in pi by 2 minus x and is equal to limit s tends to 0 k cos pi by 2 minus x and divide by pi minus 2 and pi by 2 minus x. So limit s tends to 0 k and this is sin x and divide by pi minus pi and plus 2x. So is equal to limit s tends to 0 and cancel out k sin x and divide by 2x. So k divided by 2 is a constant, so limit s tends to 0 sin x divided by x. So value is k divided by 2. And function is continuous. Function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. Then left hand limit is equal to this is actual limit. So k is equal to 6. And this is value of k is equal to 6. So write down. Next question करते हैं. Next question of this chapter is a limit and continuity. Next question of differentiability and continuity. So continuity function are start. बेटा आप continuity function पढ़ रहे हैं, continuity के भी क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं जो इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं किसी भी कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए. सपोज दिस आर k l m n है ना, ठीक है. सो now start the next question. And the function is fx is equal to second function, so fx is equal to and e to the power 3x minus e to the power minus 5x and divide by x. If x is not equal to 0 and k if x is equal to 0. So find the value of k. Function is continuous at x is equal to 0. And find the value of k. तो k की वैल्यू निकालना. सॉल्व करते हैं. So left hand limit लेते हैं. So limit and x tends to 0 negative and function is 0 minus h and is equal to limit s tends to 0. So e to the power 3 and 0 minus h and minus e to the power minus h and this is 0 minus h and divided by x is 0 minus h. So limit आप डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं बेटा, limit s tends to 0. So e to the power minus 3h and minus e to the power and plus 5h and divided by minus h. according to the L'Hospital rule and applying L'Hospital applying L'Hospital rule. These are a different set of the numerator as tends to 0. So minus e to the power minus 3 with respect to h. So minus 5 e to the power minus 5h and divided by minus h. So limit as tends to 0. Limit as tends to 0. So 3 e to the power minus 3h and plus 5 e to the power 5h and divided. And this is limit output. So 3 e to the power 0 plus 5 e to the power 0 and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is a Laplace limit. And function is a continuous function. Function is continuous. Given the function is continuous at x is equal to 0, so left hand limit is equal to right hand actual limit. So answer is and right hand. Right hand. This is question is right. Okay. So now start the next question. Next question करते हैं. This is the next question. Next question. Next question is fx is equal to, question number 3, fx is equal to and 3x plus 5 and greater than is equal to 2 and second kx square x less than 2. Function is continuous. Then find the value of function is continuous. Function is continuous at x is equal to 2. Then find k. K find. So now start. Left hand limit limit x tends to negative. Function is 2 minus x and is equal to limit x tends to 0. So 3 and 2 minus h and plus 5. Sorry, left hand limit है ना. So this is function is left. So k and 2 minus h का whole square. Okay, 2 minus h का whole square. So is equal to limit s tends to 0 k से and 2 and this is whole square is open. So 4 plus h square and minus 4h. Our limit output, so 4k only. Left hand limit. So right hand limit is limit x tends to 2 positive f 2 plus h. Our limit s tends to 0. So 3 2 plus h and plus 5. Then is equal to limit s tends to 0, 3 to the 6 plus 3h and 3h plus 5. Okay, and then the limit output, so 11. Function is continuous. Function is continuous. Function is continuous. Function is continuous at x is equal to 2. So 4k is equal to 11 and k is equal to 11 divided by 11. Yes, 11 divided by. So write down this question. And that's all.